Hey guys, look what came in. As usual, I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you guys. I have not opened this at all yet, so I'm probably going to have fun trying to get the tape undone. I apologize for not showing my face or anything in this video. My sinuses are acting up absolutely horrible, so for both my sake and yours, we're going without seeing me for this video. So let's get started. Let me see if I can get this. I might have to cut. Okay, yeah. Give me just this. Okay, with the help of some keys, we can move on now. So let's open it up and see what's in here. Oh, hello, what is this? Skin bar at Ulta. Huh. A facial. It's kind of cool. I don't know how it works, but let's see what's next. So BoxyCharm Au Naturel. So we got the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette, the Luxie 3-piece brush set, the Alamar Cosmetics Des Nude as lip gloss, and a Peel gel liner. I'll have to see what color that is, because the last liner that I got in one of these boxes was way too pink for me. And I don't wear lip gloss, so let's see. So this is the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask. It's not focusing, sorry. There you go. I don't know anything about them. So the Luxie brushes comes in a package like this. So large eye blending, precision crease, and foundation. Ooh. It's almost like the lighting in here is horrible. Are they like a rose goldish pinkish color? That's kind of cool. And that's what the brushes themselves look like. I've gotten one set of their brushes before. I think I use one or two of them. Let's see what's next. Okay, so the Butter London eyeshadow palette, which I love eyeshadow, so this I can almost guarantee I'm keeping. Some of the stuff I'm probably going to sell. So that's what the inside looks like. They almost have like a shimmer on the first four. And then I guess these two must be the mattes. Then we have the Alamar gloss. And Coqueta? I don't know how you say that. A Peel gel liner. Forest green. Okay. Why would I want a forest green lip liner? Or is this eyeliner? Gel liner. What is this? Oh, eyes or lips. Okay, eyes, I guess, isn't horrible, even though I still only use black liner. But green lip liner? Okay, yeah, that along with the gloss is probably going to get sold just because I don't see me using it. I'm going back and forth on this. Like, I want to do masks more, so I might keep this, but I don't know. The brushes and the eyeshadow I'll be keeping. Before I end this, though, the MSRP price for the mask is $35, $32 for the eyeshadow palette, $30 for the brushes, $15 for the gloss, and $21 for the gel liner. So yeah, again, I think the eyeshadow palette will probably be pretty good. The brushes should be pretty good because the ones I've used by the brand I don't really have any complaints about. This I just don't ever see me using because it's green and that's not my style. I know some people do, but it's not my style, so that will probably be getting sold. I don't wear lip gloss just because I don't like the wet lip look. So, personal preference as to why this one's probably getting sold. So, not saying that these are bad products, just not for me. And then there's the mask, which I'll probably keep, but we'll see. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to know whenever I post new videos, make sure to hit that little bell notification icon. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.